Hey friends, who's hungry? My garden is overrun with cucumbers. Time to make some homemade dill pickles. First, find yourself a large mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and 2.5 quarts of water. Whisk until the salt is dissolved, then submerge 4 pounds of sliced pickling cucumbers in the water. Place the bowl of cucumbers in the refrigerator and let them soak for 3 hours. Afterwards, drain the cucumbers and discard the salt water. In the meantime, combine 2 cups of apple cider vinegar and 1 cup of white vinegar with 3 cups of water. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Bring the brine to a simmer until the salt and sugar are dissolved. Then remove the brine from the heat and allow it to cool completely. In the bottom of a quart mason jar, add 1 teaspoon of dill seed, half a teaspoon of pickling spices, 1 teaspoon of dried minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of dried minced onion. Pack the jars with the cucumber spears. Then using a funnel, carefully pour the vinegar mixture over the cucumber slices, leaving ½ inch of room between the pickles and the top of the jar. Wipe the rims with a clean damp rag or paper towel. Then place the lid on each jar and secure tightly. Allow the jars to set for 3 weeks before opening. The jars will last up to 3 months in the refrigerator, or the pickles can also be preserved using the water bath canning method. Properly canned pickles should be stored in a cool, dry place and are good for up to 1 year. Looking for more canning recipes? Follow me for more.